Introduce reviews or features highlight before select JINPENGRAN driving recorder, 12-inch 4K dash cam. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you choose JINPENGRAN driving recorder, 12-inch 4K dash cam. 12-inch full touchscreen super wide-angle streaming media rearview, original rearview mirror vision blind spot exists. For example, rainy days, the rear windshield is water droplets and stains, affecting sight. Mobile app plus internet surfing remote monitor. With our unique remote monitor mobile app Car Keeper and internet connection, it allows you to remote monitor your car driving path, and what happened around your car, no matter where you are. Wi-Fi spot function, built-in Wi-Fi enables you stay connected on the go and fast web browsing. GPS map, movie, music, and applications could be pre-downloaded when free Wi-Fi available. Bluetooth function thanks to Bluetooth hands-free, after pairing the Bluetooth between DVR and smartphone, you could make and receive calls directly from the mirror DVR itself with the built-in mic and speaker. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all.